How to convert video to live photo on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. iPhone does not have a built-in tool yet for converting videos to live photo. Nevertheless, you can do this through the TikTok application. So make sure you have TikTok on your device. You can easily download TikTok from your App Store or your Play Store. Before opening TikTok application, make sure TikTok has the access to all photos and videos on your device. To check this, launch the settings application on your device, scroll down and find the TikTok application there and tap on that. You will see the option for photos. Tap on that and make sure it is selected to full access. Now open the TikTok application on your device. Make sure you are logged in. If not, go ahead and log yourself in. And if you do not have a TikTok account, then go ahead and create an account to be able to move further with the conversion process. Now go to your profile and tap on the plus symbol in the center there and select the video that you want to convert into live photo. Tap on the next option and now here tap on everyone can view this post option and change it to only you, since we are posting this video so that we could convert it to live photo. Now tap on the post option. Once the video is posted, tap on the lock-like icon in your profile there in the toolbar. You will see the video we just posted. Tap on the video and then tap on the three dots there. Swipe for more options and you will see the option for live photo. Tap on that and with this the conversion process will begin. Once completed, open photos on your device and you will see the photo in the live mode there. With this, we have successfully converted video to live photo on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.